Alright, it's Mustang time. What we're going to be doing right now is we're going to be doing the unboxing of a BORLA ATAK catback system. This is for the 2015 to the 2022 Mustang GT with the inactive exhaust, so it doesn't have those little valves that some of them have, I guess. And this one came from American Muscle, located right here in Pennsylvania. They did do a really good job at actually shipping this stuff out to us really fast so that we could get this installed on this nice cold Saturday in February, right at the end of the month. So we're going to be installing this on a 2021 GT, which is basically brand new. Right now at this time it has like 300 miles on it. So this is just going to be the unboxing. If you want to check out the install video, that one will be in the playlist also. So here we go. We did open it up quick. Just kind of popped it open to double check to make sure that it was what we had. Everything is nicely packed with the foam packing. Looks like they give you a BORLA hat. That's pretty awesome. That's not something you usually get. Here are the clamps. They actually look pretty nice. Kind of a standard clamp for the stuff. Now that's definitely an instruction manual right there. It's actually pretty thick. And then it looks like they give you a couple, ad flyers, something you can check out, I guess. And we're not here for that. Let's check out the real stuff. Wow. That is different. I've never seen anything like that. A pretty wild looking pipe. Like I said, to be honest, I've never really been under any of the newer GTs. I know I believe they have an independent rear suspension, so stuff's a little different. I don't know. This might be for drone or something like that. It really makes me want to know. I do know that this is supposed to be on the loud side, and that's what we want. They give you a little crossover pipe here. It's pretty decent. I assume that this is factory on the front side, and then it goes to larger, but we just got to start somewhere. We're going to be changing that too. Labeled right. Labeled left. Here are our mufflers. Labeled left. Let's take a look at these tips. Look at that. Quad tips, man. That's pretty awesome. I'm just going to stick this back on here. Here's our right side muffler, the BORLA ATAK. Everything assembles really nice and easy. They're slip over with a clamp. If you ever have to take these things off, they come apart really easy. This is just a really nicely designed exhaust. I've run BORLA exhaust on some other vehicles, and it's been nothing but positive results. Like I said, it was packed pretty good. This foam stuff that they put in, it actually works really well. But I mean, our overall exhaust is pretty impressive. Let's see here, how's this supposed to go? Right side. Left side. There we go. And we need 6 clamps. So we have everything we need for the install. We'll double check our instructions. We might even try out our hat while we're installing this. So, there we go. The BORLA ATAK system. We're going to add a real small clip of what the car sounded like, what was stock. And then we're going to add a clip of this exhaust once it's finally installed.